Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we're going to be unboxing the Jabra Elite 75T True Wireless earphones. So now let's get right into unboxing these. So we're going to turn this around. You can see the earbuds here yet again, and we can finally see the charging case, which is in a plastic wrapping right now. We're going to set this to the side and set these also to the side. And now get into the box here. So here inside the box we have the charging cable, which is a Type-C charging cable. There you can see one side is the USB-A while the other side is the Type-C. I'm going to keep this here. And here you have a few more silicone ear tips. These are the large size, and this we're guessing is the small, while the earbuds itself come fitted with the medium. Let's set this aside too. Inside you also have the warning and declaration manual right here. So yeah, you can read that as well. And that's about it for this tiny box. And actually the entire package. The previous Jabra Elite 65T had a glossy black finish, and it was quite a lot bigger than this one. It was at least 20% bigger. So Jabra has done a good job making this one more compact. So now we're going to open it up, and inside you can see it's yet again a matte finish with a rubberized texture. It also has golden pins for magnetic connection, and we're going to put these earphones in right now. So yeah, they stick on immediately, and the magnets are actually extremely strong. We're trying to pull them out here, and it takes quite a bit to pull them out. So yeah, as you can see, this is a Type-C charging port, and it also has a little LED indicator next to it which relays battery information and everything you need to know about that. So here you can see that it blinked green for a moment, which means that the earphones are completely charged 100% and they're ready to go. So now let's talk about the earphones themselves. They are angled, 45-degree angled nozzles. So they have a very ergonomic fit. If you look at it, an ergonomic shape. We're guessing it'll fit extremely well inside the ear. You can see the golden points right here which connect to the charging case. And there's also a slightly unclear right and left indicator right here. We prefer it if they had made it pop more. So at the back right here you have the speaker grill here, and you also have the physical buttons. These Jabra earphones do not come with touch buttons like many of their competitors. They just come with physical buttons which you have to actually press in. These earphones have a 6 mm driver diameter, and their frequency response is from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, or also 20 kHz. Now let's talk about the battery life on these. As we mentioned earlier, these earphones themselves have 7.5 hours on them, while this charging case is capable of 20.5 hours, which makes it a total of 28 hours. Also, they have auto on and off, which is done to conserve battery. So in 15 minutes, if they are not paired to any device, they will turn off automatically even if they are out of the case. And in 60 minutes, if they are paired to a device and there's no activity, they'll turn off as well. Also, the charging time of these earbuds in the case is about 2 hours. A few more features on these earphones include auto pause and play. So basically, if you have this earphone in your ear and you take one off, it will automatically pause the music, and if you put it back on, it will play it. This is done via the use of sensors, and it really comes to play when you don't want to miss any of your music and you need to have a quick conversation. Also, they come with the extra codec support of AAC, but they don't have aptX or aptX low latency. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.